Opening graphic shows Age and Disabilities Odyssey Conference Award winner, Homeless ACCESS Team, Hennepin County. Danielle Werder, Principal Planning Analyst, Hennepin County Office to End Homelessness.
One of the biggest issues plaguing our community right now is a capacity issue in our shelter system. And that is part of what happened with the encampment, and it's why people are on the light rail, and it is a problem.
Image of light rail transit.
So the fact that our counts were just indicating year on year, the number of people experiencing chronic homelessness was growing, we had to do some sort of targeted intervention.
Aerial drone footage of North Minneapolis.
It was an intense community effort to bring services and resources and safety and public health to those individuals, and the ACCESS team played a huge role in that.
Tina Armstrong, social worker, Hennepin County Homeless ACCESS Team.
We're at the Navigation Center that is ran by Simpson Housing, and then there's different providers that are here, so I'm one of the providers with Hennepin County. This was a way to not have people sleeping outside over the winter when it was really cold, and to help people get into housing and treatment, other things like that. This particularly is a unique solution to the problem that has been here. It just was brought out into the open over last summer.
We have a ton of case managers in our community, and they're all doing amazing work. But the ACCESS team is special. These are really skilled workers, completely dedicated to this work, and it is hard work. They're going into the shelters at night. Like I said, they're working with people who don't want to talk to them, don't want to work with them, don't want what they have to offer, and they are engaging every single one of those issues and joining with them and using their trauma-informed care and slowly but surely shepherding them into housing, and that is incredibly hard work.
Augustin Noyaho, ACCESS client.
It's very beneficial because you have a helping hand and you have people who actually care about you. I actually met Tim through YouthLink. It's a place I've been going to for the past almost 5 years now. So basically, me and Tim, we link together almost like family because he really helped me. Tim has actually offered a helping hand farther than any other social worker could ever do. He's given me rides to places when I couldn't make it. He's offered me bus fare, and he's made sure that, yeah, I got help where I need it. And he has looked at me towards me as a person through heart and soul. So.
They're meeting people outside, they're meeting people at the Opportunity Center, they're going in shelters at night, in the morning.
Augustin walks into his own apartment.
And then Anne and our chronic team is really working on the systems level stuff, and we're informing each other's work. So these amazing on-the-ground workers aren't working in a bubble. Their experiences are informing my work. They're telling me what housing providers are an issue, or what system level gaps we have. And I'm like, okay, thank you. I would never have known that. Your intimate knowledge of the needs of our community is incredibly useful. So by these individuals by the ACCESS team and other case managers in our community doing this individualized work and housing these really long-term shelter stayers, we are also creating health within our shelter system. People that have been there 10 years are moving out. People that have been there 3 years every single day using that emergency shelter bed are moving out into permanent housing, and we're working really hard to sustain them there. So you can see their work on the systems level.
Closing graphic says, "Congratulations 2019 Odyssey Award winner, Homeless ACCESS Team, Hennepin County," with picture of staff members.